5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The defense taken by state that the purpose of enactment was only to enhance the quality of living and livelihood of residents of Haryana and to boost local employment and train local workforce which would be in interest of general public also submitted that it was a reasonable restriction which was permissible under articles 19 and 20 which was in interest of general public submitted further that under provision of Article 15 it is permissible for state to make special provisions for advancement of socially and educationally backward classes of citizens though discrimination on the basis of place of birth was prohibited merely because there was a word migration used in the objects and regions. The reference to entry 81 of list 1 within bracket union list was not justified full stop stanza held that there is a specific bar to the legislature of the state not to make any laws in respect of the matters under Article 16 which further provides that there has to be equality of opportunity in matters of public employment full stop. The power given under Article 16 is only to the Parliament for making any law prescribing in regard to class or classes of employment or appointment to an office under the government or any local or other authority within the state or duty subject to requirement as to residence within the state or duty full stop subject to the requirement as to residence within that state or UT prior to such employment or appointment. The defense of the state that it was achieving goals of Part 3 was rightly highlighted by arguing that the guarantees given in Part 3 could not be subverted by destroying the basic structure and interlinked clauses of personal liberty and economic freedom could not be achieved at the cost of the meanings provided under Part 3 for achieving goals set out in Part 4 of the Constitution of India full stop. Stanza Article 19 within bracket 1 recognized to the extent that there could be no state barrier was only on account of fact that it would be given protection against provincialism. Article 1 and 5 prove that India is one integral whole and an indestructible unit divided into states for convenience of administration and was embodied as a country of one purpose and of people living under single imperium without any dual citizenship full stop. The United States of America argument of petitioners that it is the pith and substance of the legislation which is to be seen accepted observed that the underlying objective if the legislation only to create an artificial gap and discrimination qua the citizens of India and purpose of legislation itself stemmed on the fact that there are a large number of migrants who are taking up the jobs of local candidates which are comparatively lower paid not disputed that the issue of migration is covered under entry number 81 of the union list full stop. Question decided against the state that it is beyond the purview of the state to legislate on the issue and restrict the private employer from recruiting from open market for the category of employees full stop. Whether the state could provide for a legislation to private employers to do what was forbidden for it to do under the Constitution of India held that a legislative mandamus could not be imposed as was being sought to be done through the statute against foundational promise of the Constitution of India while turning a blind eye to the non-residents of Haryana who could not be treated as secondary citizens. State was acting with telescopic vision, and the statute as such is liable to fall foul of the principles laid down by constitutional judgments of the apex court and constitution itself. Concept of constitutional morality having been openly violated by introducing secondary status to a set of citizens not belonging to state of Haryana, exploitation of prohibition to private employment by way of a legislative command full stop, while keeping states out of said restrictions and putting employer under domain of criminalization on account of violation of the same can be termed as unconstitutional, as private individual could not be asked to do what the state has been forbidden for itself. State cannot directly private employers to do what has been forbidden to do under the Constitution of India. Full stop. Stanza. Whether the legislation provides reasonable restrictions in the interest of the general public and thus gives the right to the state under Article 19 and 20 of the Constitution of India to justify the same, held that act imposing unreasonable restrictions regarding the right to move freely throughout India or to reside and settle in any part or territory of India, act cannot be said to be reasonable in any manner, as was directing the employers to violate constitutional provisions. Restrictions imposed upon all types of private employers full stop, as defined under Article 2 are gross to the extent that a person's right to carry on occupation, trade or business is grossly impaired under Article 19 bar under Section 20 of not being able to challenge legal proceedings in any court against authorized officer or designated officer full stop. Further ties the hands of employer. State continues to exercise absolute control over a private employer. The requirement of submitting quarterly reports, power of authorized officer to call for records and to inspect premises for examining records, registers and documents by just giving 1 day notice can be termed as Inspector Raj. Restrictions imposed in the statute have far-reaching effect and cannot be held to be reasonable in any manner which could warrant no interference. Full stop. Stanza. The Petitioners Association is stated to be duly registered under the provisions of Haryana Registration and Regulation of Societies Act 2012, comprising of allottees of industrial plots sites at Industrial Model Township, Tehsil Hansi, District Hisar, who are carrying on their industrial and business activities in the state of Haryana. Full stop. The resolutions in favor of the authorized representatives have been duly appended. Full stop. The petitioners lay challenge to the 2020 Act on account of the fact that it provides reservation in private employment and creates an unprecedented intrusion by the state government into the fundamental rights of the private employers to carry on their business and trade as provided under Article 19 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. The restrictions thus placed upon the rights of the petitioners are alleged not to be reasonable and are manifestly arbitrary, capricious, excessive, and uncalled for, and the same being violative of the principles of natural justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity laid down in the preamble of the Constitution of India and is subject to challenge. Full stop. Stanza. Similarly, infringement of Article 14 of the Constitution of India is also alleged in as much as all citizens of the country would have a right to equal employment, to reside and to settle in the state of Haryana, and the Act thus represents a serious assault on the unity and integrity of the country and the idea of a common Indian identity. Full stop. It has been averred that a fundamental wedge is sought to be created between persons domiciled in different states by the statute in questions, which is contrary to the concept of common citizenship provided in the Constitution of India. Full stop. The entire aim and objectives of the Act was alleged to be incorrect, misconceived, fanciful, and granting overly broad discretion to the authorized officers. Full stop.